Hey guys, it's Daph. It's been a while because I haven't been feeling well, but now I feel a lot better, so we're back to business. I'm gonna be making chicken pho. I'm following the recipe that I've been following from like the TikTok video that I followed a couple years ago. It's basically with a rotisserie chicken. It's like a lazy way to do it, you know, but let's do it. Oh. Shout out to Bomb official store. They're the e-rigs that I actually use in all my videos. They sent me a new atomizer and we're gonna try it out before we cook. Ain't that cute? It seems to be kind of taller than the one they usually send. This is the comparison of the two. We're gonna put this in. Okay. Ooh. I forgot what strain this is, but it's from Blue Roots Cannabis. Let's do it. Oh, and it's heating up. It's so cute. It smells so good too. So with this recipe, I'm gonna try to improvise as I go, like not check on the recipe or anything, you know. So it's literally gonna be me, the food, or me, the ingredients, you guys, the camera, and this. Cheers. Hot water, and then you get the water to start boiling. On September 10th, 2024, that's when I fucked up this Costco rotisserie chicken. And yeah, you can get a cheesecloth or some kind of food-friendly mesh bag. Went to my local Korean market and got this. So these, damn, I'm lit. I was like looking at this bag like, what am I supposed to do again? Can't fuck it up like this. My bay leaves in there or not? One of my cousins was like, your YouTube is like a rated R cooking show. Get it, man. Oh shit, I almost knocked over my fucking water that's literally right here. Oh my god. That was a water checkpoint. Go drink some water. Damn, dude. Feeling official. Feel like a chef in Skyrim or some shit. Oh yeah. Let me add some ginger, because ginger's good for you and shit. And what the hell? It's all crusty. Let's tie the bag. Give it a cute little bow for no reason. There we go. Put this in our pot. The spices. I know it looks ridiculous right now, but be patient, okay? Be patient. I think I need more water though. some of my rock sugar. Alright, we're going to bring this to a boil. And after it boils, probably set it to medium and let it boil for, I want to say, like 45 minutes. Again, I'm not double checking a recipe or whatever, but yeah. Blinker time. Cheers. It's starting. I hate turning this on, but gotta. Alright, what's it looking like? Okay, I'll check back in like 20-30 minutes or so. But we're gonna let this boil and simmer. I walked back in just to check on the pho because I'm smoking with my neighbor right now. And when he first showed up, he was like, "Smells like pho." Look at that. Look at me go. Look at me go. Speak. Just sit. Can you be gentle? Wait. Okay. Spice there, but it's bland. Jesus. Maybe this will save me. Add some flavor. Broth is done. Boiling water in the background so I can dip the noodles in there. And as for the base, it's looking good. Looking awesome, actually. Add some white pepper powder. Water break. Looking forward to this dish. Looking forward to every dish I make. Alrighty, cheers. Oh, that's good stuff. I actually have a code with Bomb E-Rig, so if you guys like to use it, save some money, feel free. I haven't had any trouble with either of my Bomb E-Rigs. debating if I should keep cutting my bangs or just grow out. What? What? Blinker. Cheers. Back to business. In my opinion, I don't think there's enough chicken for this dish, so I bought ground chicken. Just gonna cook it up and add it in there. Oh my gosh. Diesel tie by Falcana. One last hit before we assemble a bowl. It's gonna be good as fuck. Cheers. Makes more sense to blow it in the vent. I'll clean this real quick. Feeling amazing? Let's get at it. I like to put these underneath. Extra protein, because I'm a muscle mommy. Yeah. I used to eat a lot of spicy stuff because it's good as fuck, you know? Like, I had to stop because of my surgery, the one that you see on my neck. Okay. Some of this delicious broth. Whoops, my camera just died, but anyways. Ooh, look at this shit. I got the koozie from Reductress on Instagram. Cheers. Oh! I saved that. Nothing hits like a cold beer. I should eat this first. It's probably all cold and shit. Actually, you know what? It is cold because I do all the editing, the video, angles, cameras, all that myself, you know? That's good. What was I talking about? I used to be a shit talker on non-alcoholic alcohol and stuff like that. Because it's like, what the hell? Why would you pay the same price and it doesn't get you fucked up or whatever and all that stuff, you know? But that was before I smoked weed and everything. And all I did was drink. So, look at me now. Shit talked my way into manifesting it. The ground chicken, solid idea. Oh shit, I have 1 minute left on my okay, I was gonna do a mini mukbang. Anyways. Blinker for you guys before I close out. But yeah, you guys please take care. Be safe out there. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I keep doing this. Default Asian sign. Time to eat and feed my dog.